Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and I'm back here with another new review video, and today we have got the Mi Band 4. This is the latest one from the Xiaomi. You can see the big letter on the front of box 4 showing that the model number of this band is Mi Band 4. So you can see at the sides of this box everything is written in Chinese. So let's skip this, and at the back side of box you can see at the top we have the model number and then the colors, and then here package contents, fitness tracker, wristband, charging cable and user manual. And then here we have the Bluetooth 5.0 version in this Mi Band 4, and it's manufactured by Xiaomi as you can see here. So let's open the box and have a look at our brand new Mi Band 4. So the box of Mi Band 4 is very much similar to its previous successor Mi Band 3 as you can see. And here we have our Mi Band 4. Let's keep it aside and we will take a look at this later and check out other box contents. And here we have a user manual. It is written in totally Chinese, you can see. And then here we have the Mi Band 4 charging cable, and let's take a look at the charger. You can see that the charger is now different from the Mi Band 3 charger. You can see the charging pins and the whole structure of this Mi Band 4 charger. And here we have our Mi Band 4. You can see it is packed in this plastic wrapping. And wow guys, it looks really stunning. It's my first look at the Mi Band 4 and my first hands-on video. So the display of Mi Band 4 is not edge display, not curved display like the Mi Band 3, because Mi Band 3 has the curved display. So here it's written in Chinese. As we will connect this Mi Band 4 to the app, then it will automatically change into English language. So let's connect it. At the back side of Mi Band 4 you can see this is the heart rate monitoring sensor, and it is positioned at the same place like Mi Band 3. And here I have the Mi Band 3 in my left hand and Mi Band 4 in right hand. So you can see the position of heart rate sensor is same, but the position of the charging pins is different. You can see charging pins has been moved at the back of this band. And you can see the difference, like Mi Band 3 has the black and white display and Mi Band 4 is totally colorful display. Mi Band 4 is a bit much larger in size than Mi Band 3, and it is connected with the app, and you can see it is converted into English language. Everything is now we are seeing is in English language. So there might not be a problem with the global version or Chinese version. If you buy even a Chinese version, then you will be able to convert your band into English just by connecting it with your Mi Fit application. Everything is now we are seeing is in English language. So there might not be a problem with the global version or Chinese version. If you buy even a Chinese version, then you will be able to convert your band into English just by connecting it with your Mi Fit application. So first of all we will have to update it with the help of application. Let's wait and get it done in a while. And you can see it is updating the firmware of Mi Band 4. Now you can see it is completely done. The updating has been just finished, and now it's time to check out the features of Mi Band 4. And later in the video we will also check out functions of this application. You can see at the front display we get the battery percentage, time and the step counter, and then we have this status option in which you can see the steps, distance and calories burned. And then we have this heart rate monitoring option, and here you can see a guideline that fasten your band by keeping the distance of 1 centimeter between your wrist and Mi Band 4. Then we have the workout option, in which you can see here are some different modes: outdoor running, treadmill machine running, and cycling. And it will actually calculate every kind of your exercise data. You will be able to see that in your Mi Fit application. And then here we have the weather option, in which you can see the today's weather and you can see the weather of upcoming days. And then we have the notifications option, where you will be able to see your messages. And then we have the more options. In more, you can see the first option is D&D feature. That is the do not disturb feature, that will actually silent your Mi Band 4 and it will not disturb you in the selected time period. And then we have the alarm option and music option. You can actually control the music of your phone just by this little display. You can forward, you can backward, and you can stop and continue. And we have stopwatch, timer, find device, Alipay option, by which you can pay your bills just by your NFC Mi Band 4. And then we have the settings, and here you can increase or decrease the brightness, and that is the really good feature in this Mi Band 4. And then we have some more options you can see. And then here last we have the displays, and you can download huge amount of displays from your Mi Fit application for your Mi Band 4. Now let's fasten the band and check out the heart rate sensor, and we will see that how it works. And you can see that I have turned the sensor on and it is working. And here the heartbeat comes. You can see the results came out and it is showing 94 beats per minute. So now it's time to check out the Mi Fit application, and we will see what features we got in this application. So at the front display you can see the battery percentage, and then here the band displays. And we will see that how kind of display themes we get in this Mi Fit application. You can see there are a lot of themes, and you can simply click on any one that you want to apply on your Mi Band 4, and it will first download the theme and then it will synchronize it with your Mi Band 4. And you can see it is synchronizing it, and it will just take a few seconds to synchronize. And here it is done. You can see the theme is applied and it looks beautiful. You can change them by your own choice. Let's change another one, and you can see it is looking classic as it is very simple. And then here we have the find band option in this application, by which you can find your band if it is lost. Not it will produce any kind of sound, but it will vibrate. And here are a lot of options you can see. And we also have the lift wrist to view info, like it has the sensor. If you will lift up your Mi Band 4, then the sensor will automatically turn on the display. As you can see, I am lifting it up and the sensor actually turns the display on. And then here we have some band alerts option, where you can set alarm, and you also have the option to unlock the screen. And one of the best feature in the Mi Band 4 that was also in Mi Band 3, it is the find device. If you click on find device, then your connected device will start ringing, as you can hear. And you can see on the display of this phone that band is searching for this phone. And it is really a good option if your phone is just lost, like in the range of Bluetooth, then you can easily search it by this option. And then here we have the charger, and I will show you that how to connect your Mi Band 4 into the charger. You can see you will just need to put it in this a little box, and then plug your USB type A into any adapter, USB adapter, and it will start charging. And Xiaomi claims that the battery backup of this device is almost 15 to 20 days, and I will say that if this band just provides us the backup of 15 days, then it is also enough for us. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.